Alright, hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be working on stretch bracelets using the connectors that have 2 loops on each side. And we're just going to show you how to connect it professionally so that way you don't have string going under the other side of your component, and so that way you don't see your knots anywhere in the bracelet. Just kind of nice and professional. So normally when we do our stretch bracelets we cut 2 feet so that way we can double it through the bracelet and make it nice and strong. For these projects it's a little bit different. We're going to use 2 pieces that are 16 inches long, so 8 and 8, and we're going to do 1 for each side of our bracelet. So 2 16-inch pieces. That should be more than enough. And what you're going to do is take your bracelet, your stretchy cord, line up the tails, poke it through one side of your connector, and I prefer to do it through the back if your piece has a front and a back. That way your little slip knot shows the same way on both sides. And you're going to pull it and make a small little loop there and pull the tails through that loop. Okay, so that way when I pull it down it just makes a nice little slip knot right there. Okay, I'm going to do that on both sides of the bracelet. Alright, so we just want that little slip knot right there, okay? Alright, so now I've got 2 tails on one side, 2 tails on the other side, so that way it's still nice and strong, it's still going to be double-stranded, and we do use a special stretch cord to make these last. It's a fibrous material. If you want to know more about that, check out our original stretch bracelet video, and then also in the links below, listed in the comments here, we've got links for all the stretch cord, the needles, and the glue, and everything that you can use for this if you'd like. So we do use the big eye needle. The whole middle of it opens up, and you're going to put it on the end of your cord, put both little tails there, and just pull it down and hook it into the end of your needle so that way it doesn't come off. And the kicker with this bracelet is you have to use beads that are big enough that now they will allow 4 strands of this cord to pass through. So you can hold on to it and kind of stretch it a little bit and pull your beads down if you need to, but don't let go because the needle is sharp on the other side. So go ahead and just thread on about half of your beads. For this project we don't really have a pattern, so don't worry about it. And just string up a couple beads, and then when we finish we're going to switch the needle to the other side and string up the remaining half of our bracelet. So then we're just going to take off the needle and switch it to the other side. Just leave a little bit of tail on there so you have something to hold on to, and string up the remainder of your beads. Alright, so now you're going to take your needle off, and sometimes when you do these slip knots, you can see how it slipped down over the loop here. Just pull it up and cinch it in a little bit and just slide your beads there and it'll kind of hold it in place. And then the same thing on the other side. You're basically just getting all the slack out. So now we have 2 tails just like a regular stretch bracelet. We're going to tie them together and we're going to make 3 knots, and just like always your first knot doesn't really do anything, it's kind of like tying shoes, and then your second knot will make your first complete knot, give it a little tighten, and then go ahead and do a 3rd knot to give yourself a double knot, and now you've got your little stretch bracelet.